I believe that bone and soft tissue is the main success of the implant therapy. And the most challenging situation for us is how you can get a predictable result. And I found in my last 14 years that I can trust only autogenous bone, autogenous tissue. And for this, I am trying to spread the biological concept of bone augmentation according to my mentor, Professor Kücük, in the world. And I hope we will see us in our next live event. And this live event is in one of the beautiful cities in the world, in Istanbul, in Turkey. We create a course about 3 days with a lecture, with a live surgery. And this is the first time that I will do an operation in Turkey from our participants. And then on the last day, we have a hands-on training. This means for you, through the 3 days, you will see the theoretical base, the live surgery implementation of the technique, and then you are able to do in the hands-on training the simulation of the work for you that you are able to do on the next week after the course. What we have also for you is 3 different packages. The first package is our silver package. This is the ticket for this event. A short overview about your live event. The course is between 14 and 18 October, and for the colleagues from outside of the Turkey, we have planned a wonderful program. The first day is your lecture, 14 October. The second day, you will have a free day. You can visit the city, you can visit all the beautiful areas of Turkey and of Istanbul, of course. And on the 16 October, it's a Saturday, we will have together the live surgery. And on the next day, on Sunday, on the 17th, you have again free day. And on the last day, 18 October, we have the hands-on. So with 5 days and the 3 days of lectures and training and hands-on, you are coming our world as in the autogenous world, that you can see how we can reconstruct the ridge, predictable, fast and safe. And if you want to have more, we have the gold package. The gold package is all what I told now to you, plus a live video, a recorded version of the live surgery, plus the ticket for the yacht, for the dinner on the Bosporus with a like-minded colleague. They have also the gold ticket. And of course, one special and important thing for you is the 1 week free online coaching access to our 2 different programs. We have a elite coaching for horizontal bone augmentation and vertical, and in the elite coaching you are able to join for 1 week, and you can see how we coach and train colleagues from around the world with the autogenous bone augmentation technique. So, and the gold plus ticket is for the colleagues they want to join in our live surgery, but we have only 4 tickets. So, and you can join with me to the operation and can assist me, and you are really one-to-one with me in the live surgery. If you have interest to join this event in this year, after or during the COVID time, the first time, and we don't have a new date for the next course, don't miss it and join this event. You can go to our website and you can book and reserve your ticket, www.bonefactory-academy.com. And I'm looking forward to see you in Istanbul and to make a wonderful time, to have fun and go more in the world of autogenous. See you in Istanbul.